The only way an angle question ever ends when you're involved in trigonometry is inverse, okay? So if you have if I gave you sine A equals 3 over 5, what you guys would have to do is you'd have to say A equals shift sine 3 over 5, and it will tell you the angle. Okay, can everybody do shift sine 3 over 5 for me in the calculator? Alright, what you get? Leave the phone. Huh? Did you get 37 for 3 over 5? Okay, now, in this question, we're not doing that. We're doing cos inverse. What are we doing this time? We're actually doing cos inverse 0.27. Can anybody do cos inverse 0.27? Yes. 74 degrees. Anybody else get 74 degrees? We're good. We're all agreed we should be able to close that out for 5 or 10 marks. Okay. Next one. There's a very... They want to know the height of H. Agreed? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to target the blue line first. Does everybody see the blue line? Everybody see the blue line? The blue line is opposite an angle of 22. And it has a base of 23. Everybody see that's 23? The angle's 22. And we would like to know what the H value is. Or I'll pick a different letter. H is a bad idea. We'll pick D. So everybody happy? We want to know what D is? Now, first question. Can we use Pythagoras' theorem? Why? You need two lengths to find Pythagoras' theorem. So we're going to go for SOHCAHTOA. Sine, cos, and tan. Now the question is, which one should I use and why? Yes, sir. It is tan. Good job. So we don't know the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. Do we know the hypotenuse? And because we don't know the hypotenuse, that eliminates the two that have the H in it. So who's opposite 22? Who's 22 looking at? D is the opposite. So what you're going to say is you're all going to say tan 22 is D over 23. Agreed? Now, 23 is division on the right, which means when I move the 23 away from the D, what happens to it? Multiplication on the left. And what you get? 23 tan 22, anybody? What? 9.29 for D. Is that okay? Any questions? Now I'm going to come back. And this time what I'm going to do is I'm not after the blue length anymore. I'm actually after there. Everybody see the red length? And what is the red length minus the blue length? The red length minus the blue length is actually H. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm just going to alter this. And now all of a sudden it's no longer 22 degrees anymore. What degrees is it now? 29. Find it? Is everybody okay with that? Now, we're going to do the same trick we did last time. Except we're going to look for L. L is the longer length, okay? So what are we going to say this time? Are we using sine, cos, or tan? We're using tan again. Why are we using tan again? Still don't know the hypotenuse. So it's tan 29 equals L over 3. Should L be bigger than our previous answer? L should be longer than the D, yeah? So what do we get then? We get 23 tan 29 when we multiply it up. 12.74, is it? We'll get that verified. Anybody else? 12.75 rounded. Now, how do we calculate the H value? Not just take them away from each other? Because the H value is the difference between the red line and the blue line. And what happens when you take them away from each other? 3.46. And it wants it to one decimal place.